In this video, I'll be unboxing the Brother MFC-J1012DW Printer so you get a better idea what's included in the box and what's not included. So let's get started right away. Over here we have all the ink cartridges. They're all packaged separately here. We have a manual to get started quickly. And we also get this cable that is a telephone cable because this printer over here has a fax integrated. It's not used usually these days, but hey, they give you the cable to connect it to your network. You need to connect it right on the side where the power cable is connected to the printer. So this was everything that was included in the box. It's to be noted that this printer does not come with a USB cable, although it's possible to connect it via USB to your computer, so you'll need to purchase one separately. The USB connector is not on the outside of the printer. You need to lift this top panel. Not only the scanner panel, but actually the whole top panel. And over here, you're gonna see it says USB and you need to connect your cable right over there and pass the cable all the way where it shows here till it exits the printer from the back. Otherwise, you can connect it to the Wi-Fi, and obviously you won't need to purchase any additional cable if you choose to connect to your setup this way.